Tracking organic traffic with Direct Pixel. You can easily track organic traffic on your landing page. With our Direct Tracking Pixel, you can track visits, clicks, and conversions. Only impressions are not counted. If you want to track organic traffic, you need to create a separate campaign in Voluum dedicated to tracking organic traffic to your lander. Create a new traffic source called Organic, as it is a separate source of traffic. On any individual lander, there can be only one Direct Tracking Pixel. If you're already tracking a lander using Direct Tracking Pixel and want to track organic too, just update the code with the new one. How to get it? Follow the setup of Direct Tracking Pixel. The tutorial will be linked in the description below. Create a new campaign with Organic Traffic Source. Once you reach the last panel of campaign creation, ignore the Direct Tracking URL for now, and click Save. To finalize the code setup, we need the campaign ID of your newly created campaign. Find the campaign ID of the campaign you just created. Simply add a new column under Campaigns tabs, called Campaign ID, and copy the ID. Go back to your campaign, edit, and copy the code. Put the campaign ID in two places inside the code. In here and here. Now you can place this code into the head of your landing page. And you're all done. Now you'll be able to track organic visits on your page.